This is an example of badly damaged Alienware 13R3 laptop battery. The model is TDW5P. You can see how badly damaged this battery is, and I actually didn't notice. It is almost 3 years, but I have used other laptops from other manufacturer more than 3 years, but I've never seen something like this. So this is a new replacement, and I was wondering because I noticed my laptop was flapping this portion, and it started to bend, especially the trackpad side. So I found it quite dangerous, I think. Why this is flapped that much? So I'm gonna replace the new battery today. Thank you.